Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to take a look at how to add a page shadow to your Simplebooklet. This simple design feature can make your booklet look more professional and polished by adding depth and dimension to your pages. Let's get started. So we're going to get started here today on the Simplebooklet dashboard. We're going to scroll to the booklet that we want to update. Once we found it, we're going to go ahead and click on the Design tab. From here, we're going to make our way over to the toolbar on the left-hand side and click on the Page Flip button. This is where you'll find all the options related to your page settings and effects. So now we're just going to go down here and make sure that the page shadow option is toggled on. What this does is apply a subtle shadow effect around your pages. This will instantly give your Simplebooklet a more dynamic and layered look. Your changes will save automatically. Once that's done, just preview your booklet to make sure everything looks just the way you want. So it's harder to see with a darker background, but what it does is just add a little bit of a shadow around the edges of your booklet, just to give it a bit of depth. Adding a page shadow helps guide your readers through the attention and immersion stages of the reader's journey. It draws the eye to your content, adds visual depth, and makes your booklet feel more polished and engaging. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out our other videos for more ways to get the most out of Simplebooklet. Thanks for watching.